It is time for Package from China. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video. In today's video we are going to talk about Arcade Station 240 in Games in One. It seems to be that this one got 8-bit games again. It comes with a 2.5 color TFT screen. Puzzle games, arcade. Comes in a very fancy box. It's a little bit bust up due of transport, but nevertheless we're going to unpack it and let's see if it works and what are we going to get. Alright, I have unpacked the arcade station and it looks really awesome. The stickers are very nice, good quality. Speaker is here at the front. And let's look at the controls. We got a reset, volume, start, pause button. The buttons don't feel bad or horrible, extremely cheap. At the left here we find the power switch. And I don't know, I think there is nothing behind this. Yeah, battery compartment. We got 3 AA batteries inside. Let's power it on and let's see what we're going to get. Alright, let's take a close look at the main menu. 240 games indeed. Oh yeah, that old school multi-card sound. And let's see what we're having here. And there is no original or, yeah, let's say rip-off copyright game on it. They are only homebrew games. So they are not naughty this time. I have played some of these games and the games can be found on other arcade stations. And some of them are pretty damn awesome. The first thing we're going to try is this F22. This is an basic shmup. Really fun. I really enjoy it. It's really nice. It plays very well. The joystick is really responsive. Rapid fire is always good, of course. This screen got a very nice view angle and that is very unique for a cheap as device. These things cost just the same as a basic 8-bit handheld, and most of these have very tiny and very horrible screens. Alright, let's do reset. This button. Magic Johnny or something? Animal blocks. Animal blockers, those names. Oh my god. What is this? Reset. Crystal ball. Ooh. Oh. Nope. We're not going to play that. Rabbit Village. Is the ripoff from something? Alright. You can see when people are coming. Yeah, right. Oh my god. Next game. The F-22 was really fun, but yeah, you need to figure out for yourself and buy, if you want to buy this, what kind of games are appealing to you. Pong pong. Pong pong. What the? Oh, and this little car. What? What's the use of this game? I have really no clue. That music is horrible. Alright, let's try one more. Goalkeeper. No. Brother ball. No. We're going to play with the pizza boy. Wait, what? Oh, man. I've lost the pizza boy. All right, big skip. All right. Alright, for the final conclusion about the arcade station. It's a really funny product. It's got a very nice screen. The games itself, yeah, are only homebrew games, so don't expect a Mario or another Nintendo product or copyrighted game. It's just homebrew. There are some good games like F-22, that is the only one from this point. When making this review, I found out that I really can enjoy. Very challenging shoot 'em up or shmup. Yeah, I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome wicked videos. And yeah, if you have any questions, leave it in a comment. And again, thanks for watching. Bye bye.